Okay, so this is my first time making amaranth. I have my 3 cups of water boiling. That's spring water because I'm trying to do an alkaline diet. Here's the 1 cup of amaranth. I'm not going to put it in yet. I'm just going to let it sit over here to the side. I want it to boil more, and then I'll pour it in. So we'll see what it looks like. Another thing I'm going to do, since now it's boiling quick, I am going to put some date sugar since I'm making this as an oatmeal. But I don't know if I should put it together while it's boiling or later. I don't know. Maybe while it's boiling. Okay, everybody, I just removed the lid. It's been 20 minutes. Of course, I put date sugar and cinnamon, like I told you. The date sugar was making it smell funny. It is a sticky substance. And now, let me put it in a bowl and show you how I'm gonna eat it. So let's see what's up. Okay, so this was my first time making this, but I put cocoa, and I know that's probably not even in the list for, what is it called? Alkaline, but this was throwing me off since it was brown. So I was like, let me just go ahead and put cocoa. So yeah, it tastes pretty good. I did put butter, and I put hemp milk to make it thinner because it was thicker than this.